Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off face tracking on your zoom camera step by step. If your camera keeps moving, zooming, or following your face during calls, the auto framing feature may be turned on. First, open the Zoom app and make sure you are signed in, and from the main screen, click the gear icon near the bottom left corner to open settings. Next, go to Video and Effects, then open the Appearance tab, and from here, look for the auto framing option depending on your Zoom version or device. It may also appear as face tracking or center framing. So to stop Zoom from automatically following your face, simply turn auto framing off or uncheck the option. The change should apply immediately, so there's no need to save anything, and your camera should now stay in a fixed position during your calls. And if you do not see this option, it may not be supported by your camera, or the setting may be controlled through your camera's own software. And that is how you can quickly turn off face tracking on your Zoom camera. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.